Ngatho muno ni undu wa gucoka Ndama wa Ndama Spares muthenya wa umuthi Sunday ino ni akorwa akionania gikeno giake kuria akorwa akirekereria ndumiriri ya mwanya muno celebrating herself. Ndama Spares akoretwo akigerera ihinda iritu muno ni undu wa drama ciake na kanitha wa JCM na Mutheke Ngei na hamwe na kururia kuria akorwa agicelebrate muthenya wa uyu wa umuthi ashi continued na tour yake mabururi ma kuria na njata kuria turamonete akihungura Dubai kuria akiri on holiday. Ndama akiuga happy birthday Madam Boss akionania ari na gikeno kinene muno celebrating herself on her birthday. Akorwa agithie na mbere na kuga mwathani reke ndure muno ni undu wa andu aria manyonaga makagia mwihoko makiria anake na airitu aria hete mawira getha miturire iyo yao ikigacire. Akorwa akianirira na kuga ati muthenya umuthi ukiri on Sunday, she is also happy to announce that it is her birthday and she is feeling blessed. Oroho kuona Murage wa furniture was celebrating his birthday one day before Ndama Spares. Their fans and fellow celebrities ni makoro makinyitanira na kwendithiria these great minds. Andu aya eri makoretwo magithondeka mawira na kuhebe unjithi kuona muturire ni urakirituhira aria matakire na mawira muno agikorwo akiwisho. Also a very good day and a happy birthday to these two great people, Murage and Madam Boss Ndama Spares. We wish them kuma guku gwa Gikuyu Community News a happy birthday na mathie na mbere na gwika maundu mega na manene makiria kuri ciana cia bururi uyu witu twendete ugwito wa Kenya. Ndigutenderithia ndeto eno makiria. Happy birthday to them. Make sure you turn on your notification or subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ugakinyirwo ni video citu. Tucemanie na next one.